4 here out at Hot Rod Power Tour 2018. We're here at Atlanta Motor Speedway in Hampton, Georgia. Drag racing going on, autocross is going on, and a bunch of stuff going on in the infield. We're gonna go take a look at some of the cars, some of the infield, and see what's going on today. I could literally walk around here all week, every single day, finding new and interesting cars. Some stay on the trail for the whole time, some jump off. We're gonna go around, I'm just gonna see what I can find and show you guys what's cool going on in day 4. Day 4, it feels like it's 110 degrees out. It's so hot, so we're gonna go get some food, hang out for a little bit, get ready for the drive tomorrow over to South Carolina. So see you there.